Hello editors, welcome to another tutorial in which I'm gonna show how to create this ripple effect in After Effects. So Boris Continuum plugin is required. If you don't have this plugin, then just go to my Insta handle and DM me. Now let's begin the tutorial. First create an adjustment layer and cut it accordingly. Now go to effects and presets and set BCC ripple dissolve and apply to the adjustment layer. Now set animation to %done. Create a %done keyframe and set it to 0. Go to the end of the adjustment layer and set %done to 100. Now select both the keyframes, hit F9. Go to graph editor. Make sure edit value graph and copy me. Finally set fall off to 80 and light level to 120.